Well, this is the campground. This is one of the tents got blown over. Stuff strewn everywhere. More tents blown over. These are some tents that the boys are staying in. This one got missed barely. You can just see branches, trees, just fell like crazy. Crushed this one. Just a tangled mess of trees. Come over here, where it used to be a pathway between two campsites. There's just one enormous tree fell. You can see where it split. You can see where the path used to go, and it's just tree. Freaking huge. Branches all over everywhere. Freaking crazy. Let me get back to the camp. Let's see if we can get back to camp. I'm gonna run around. Pretty crazy. Look at that.